Outdoor Kitchen Appliances Selection Guide. Dreaming of the perfect outdoor culinary haven? Selecting the right appliances can be thrilling yet daunting. Let's dive into the essentials for your outdoor kitchen. Number 1. Grills and smokers. The heart of outdoor cooking is your grill or smoker. Imagine sizzling steaks and charred veggies under the open sky. We'll help you find the perfect one to match your culinary style. Number 2. Refrigerator. A fridge in your outdoor kitchen means cold drinks and fresh ingredients at your fingertips. Choose one that stands up to the elements and complements your space. Number 3. Outdoor cooktops. Expand your cooking repertoire with an outdoor cooktop. From sautéing veggies to flipping pancakes, the possibilities are endless. Number 4. Wood-fired pizza oven. Bring the charm of Italian pizzerias to your backyard. A wood-fired oven offers the perfect crust and smoky flavor for your homemade pizzas. Number 5. Sink. A sink adds practicality to your outdoor kitchen. It's about easy food prep and cleanup, integrated into your elegant outdoor design. Number 6. Cabinets. Keep your outdoor kitchen organized with stylish cabinets. Store your essentials and maintain the beauty of your space. Ready to transform your outdoor space into a culinary masterpiece? With Dutchies Stoneworks, you're not just choosing appliances, you're evolving your outdoor lifestyle. Let's make your dream kitchen a reality.